Best export settings for YouTube Premiere Pro 4K 2023. So as you can see, I have a text here that's about a motion graphics text. So if you want to export this thing for the best quality possible, then just go to the export settings. In 2023 version of Premiere Pro, you have export in here, so just go for it. So after that, you can see that there are so many things to just modify on. So at first, just name our thing motion design. Okay, then you can just select where the thing is going to be exported. So in custom, like in preset, you can just click on this thing, which is 2160p 4K, which is 4K. So just click on it. Okay, keep that in H.264 and then come to here. Okay, so as you can see, there is an option named render at maximum depth. Just click on it. Then we have use maximum render quality. Also check this thing. After that, we have this thing here, profile high, height 10, just keep in high, level, just keep that thing. Okay, now we have bitrate encoding. Okay, we have three things here: CBR, VBR1 and VBR2 bus. So we can just click on CBR, and then as you can see, like you have to give it depends on your frame rate. So as you can see, we have 30 fps here, so we will give 60 in here. Okay, so whatever frame rate we are having, we have to give the double of it. Like we are having 60 fps, then we have to give the bitrate to like 120. So the bitrate works like this. So then we have this audio. So in audio, if you want to change it, then change. Okay, so bitrate is good here. In multiplayer, I don't think you have to do anything more. So if you want to add caption in your video, if you have caption, then you can add it from here. Also we have effect here, which is I don't think usable because we can already like color grade inside this tab, so I don't think we will need that. Okay, so now we have metadata, so I don't think you have to touch anything of it. So as you can see, we have just made the export setting more good than before. So yeah, that was one of the best export settings for YouTube. Thanks for watching.